Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we've got the Dive Rite Helmet. So this is really useful for anyone that dives in sort of overhead environments like caves or wrecks, but it also acts as a fantastic mounting point for either sort of head-mounted torches or action cameras. So this we can actually call a helmet because it's CE rated, so it is actually going to act as protection for stuff falling on your head, but of course it's going to protect you from sort of bumps and scrapes as well. So this comes in two different colours. It comes in a black, it also comes in this red. And this is really a one-size-fits-all because it has a quick adjust system at the back, which I'll show you in a second. So on the top you can see we've got these vents. So vents are going to allow any trapped air inside to escape, so it's not going to sort of float off the top of your head. What's also great about this helmet is that it's specifically made for divers, so it doesn't have any buoyant padding on the inside. You have some padding, but it's not going to sort of float off your head, and you don't have to cut it out like a lot of sort of helmets before. So inside we have this kind of cradle system that's going to sort of hold your head in position. You've got a chin strap, of course, as a standard. They're all sort of fully adjustable. But what makes it one size fits all is here on the back you have this system which you just sort of dial that to make it sort of longer for larger heads, and then you can screw it in to tighten it up, and that's going to adjust exactly how tight it is and snug around your head. So that's particularly great if you're kind of changing hoods, you're putting on a thicker hood or you're taking your hood off for a different dive. You don't have to worry about changing the padding, you can just dial that and adjust it. It also has a bit of a hinge system, so you can make it very ergonomic, nice and comfortable for you. So all in all, a great sort of mounting point for sort of head-mounted torches and action cameras. It's going to protect your head for overhead environments. This is the Dive Rite Helmet. Thanks for watching and safe diving.